viewers, welcome back to my channel, and this is Beauty by Afe. So this is a eyebrows tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. So without further ado and not too much talking, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to brush your eyebrows in place. Now the next thing you want to do is to take your product. Now I'll be using the Anastesia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in color Ebony. And I'll be using a wet and wild angle brush to fill in my brows with the ABH Brow Pomade. So the first thing you want to do is to take the brush and place it from the inner corner of your eye to the eyebrows, and this is where your eyebrows should start. And you take it to like the middle, of your eyelids, to the arc or arch, whatever they call it, of your eyebrows, and that is where your arc should start. And now the third step is to take it right here from the outer corner to the top, and that is where your eyebrows should naturally end. And that's what I'm gonna do on this eye, then repeat the same step on the other eye. So right now you want to take a little bit of the product. So you want to take a little bit of the product from the Deep Brow Pomade, and I always take off the excess on the back of my hand so that way it's not so much in the brush. Then I like to start from the end of my brows and just follow my natural brow line. You can always go back to check if you are correct with the line. That's correct, the beginning is correct, and the arch is correct. Now the next thing you want to do is to fill in the brows in light stroke. You don't want it to be too heavy. Just want to like fill in your natural hair. You can see I'm doing this straight because the hair in this area is like, straight upwardly, and this I'm just gonna like slant the brush. And after that, you're gonna take your spoolie or a brush and lash comb and just brush the product. So I like to start from the beginning and brush it out, to just fade it out to make it look faint and make it look natural. Then brush the rest inwardly, and by doing this you're spreading the product evenly. You want to make sure you brush it so that way it doesn't look too doesn't look like you have too much product on your brows. And that is it. You can do the other eye and go out like this, but if you want to like do, go an extra mile of using your concealer to conceal your brows, then you can do it. So I'm using two concealers. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Dark Cocoa for the upper part of my eyebrows, and the Maybelline Fits Me in Tidy Cafe for the lower part of my eyebrows. You want to use a color that is your shade for the top and a color that is a shade lighter, than your color for the bottom. So I'm using the angled liner brush from All Dot or Professional brush set. I just take the product on the brush, then I'll go to the back of my hand again, take off the excess. Then you want to like make sure your hand is straight, and then you just follow your natural brow line. After that, you want to brush the product into your skin so that way it doesn't look patchy and doesn't dry before you're done with the lower bottom eyebrows. And even if you have to like touch up, it doesn't really matter. You can always touch up with the brush and the concealer again and blend it into your skin. So then I'll move to the bottom, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer with the same brush and tap out the excess product and just follow my natural brow line. And you want to make sure your hand is straight. And I'm going to stop talking because this side you have to like concentrate. So after that, you want to take your brush and blend the product into your skin again. You want to make sure you blend all the product, all the lines. You don't want to see any line. So that is it, guys. I'm going to repeat the process on the other eye. So the other part is done. Remember, eyebrows are not supposed to look perfect, but they're supposed to look like sisters. And this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope now you know how to do your own eyebrows, you know, to just make your eyebrows on fleek, make your eyebrows slay all day. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like, what are you waiting for? Why haven't you subscribed? Like, join this family. You're mostly welcome, like I'm telling you. So hit that subscribe button right now, and until my next video, stay beautiful as always.